Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix Concord not running or launching. You go click play but you just cannot get into a game, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix that in this video. So one reason it might be is because it is technically the beta, so there are going to be a lot of issues that you really can't change. But if it's nothing to do with that, like it's up to your, so maybe like your network issue, what you can do is, the first thing I recommend to do is simply just close the application. Start it back up, check to see if that fixes the issue. The second method I recommend doing is head over to settings. From settings, go to network, and then from network, first test your internet connection. Make sure you're signed into PlayStation Network, you're signed in for everything, and go over to settings of set up internet connection. And what you want to do is you want to click on your Wi-Fi, click on the three dots, click on advanced settings. From here, what you want to do is you want to go over to the DNS settings, and you want to change it to manual. And then from here, you want to change the primary DNS to what I have right now. And the secondary, this is actually error. It should be 8.8.4.4. So it should be like this instead of the other way. I don't know why I had it like that, but yeah. Anyways, once you do have it like this, you should be good to go and you're all set. Now just make sure it connects to the settings and you should be all good. And yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.